To the viewers out there, we're back again in today's topic, which is all about why ladies receive helps more than a guy rendering a help to a guy.
True.
And today, we will understand what that thing mean.
As
Why
well
if
done.
we say ladies they receive favor more than guy man. Guy man go dey hustle, fellow guy man go look and pass. But lady go just put small. In fact, they don't need to hustle, stand for road. Everywhere go pure for them.
I swear.
With me, today una go know. I still remain your humble boy. Understand?
Yeah.
Mr. Flex on this. With me here is
This Mr. Said, Mr. Said.
Mr.
You can call
Said.
me Said man.
Said
Call
man.
me Said boy.
when you grow up, man.
And now for the CPS, I still be boy.
Okay. Before before your baby na this past settlement now. Now you don't upgrade.
No upgrade.
You don't upgrade.
Those things where you dey talk now,
Eh.
normal level, the thing they choke me.
Ah.
They choke me now,
I
but
dey
I have
choke
so
you now.
many scenarios of guys just there, they help girl anyhow. They do. Even you where they talk like this, now for you.
Okay.
Now.
As you be like this, so if lady come meet you now, say, "Dear, I don't get anything. I'm hungry."
No, it
and the guy
depends.
man come meet you. Which one you go first attend to?
See, first it depends who come first, and I go reason and I go weigh the problem. Who really get the problem? Because sometimes ladies, their problem where they go bring no be everyone. If you say na birthday,
Birthday, the one
they
celebrate.
won't do all those kind. Those ones no be necessity first. You need to attend to necessity
Things
before
first,
those all those nonsense. So guys always they go straight to the point. Though they get some useless guys though, like this guy. You say go fit borrow you money, you know they borrow me money, make you go do birthday.
Oga, which day? Even since we dey born me, I don't know what they call
Which
birthday.
is you don't know okay, but they do birthday for girls.
Ah, they mad. How many times I go dey do? I know they do birthday. In fact, now them they even just dey surprise me with some one or two, you know.
Fine boy.
Fine boy. you
Fine
know?
boy.
Fine boy. You understand?
So the thing they choke, You get one time when me on the normal they travel, the girl car spoil. He just the girl won't pretend, just open the bonnet as if he want do one or two. Just they check. I don't know what thing they check.
Based on true life story.
They check. You see guy they stop. They don't call them. What's this guy? Can I help you? This is my Okumoto. He spoil for where mechanic even dey close. I swear they don't even help him.
I make I no blame that guy when he say he see man, he know say he can push and start. He see man, he say man hopping. Why they go there and the ladies there with the man? Now so this my guy, you understand? He can't see girl and guys stand for road. The girl they do a hand when he go carry the girl. He can't say no, the girl should stay. Let the guys come in. Then the guy say this is not normal. On a normal day, understand? The guy go want carry the girls and please move. Because you know say in can tuke understand? So you need people go help and push and you need manpower. And I don't know where they recognize man.
Okay, they can't carry the man. You know see that stuff also wey say normal level they wash car. The girl they wash car. As him bring the help come, he call the girl come. The girl there with guys they wash car on normal.
They don't appreciate those G.
See, in fact, those guys, they wash car first from that place. You don't tell where they wash car before the girl come. You don't tell where the girl come, where you just start to wash car, and then they come, excuse me, why are you doing this? Why? Okay. Now the girl is doing this now. Why is she doing this?
Uncle normal level. You see that thing for a guy, man, as you dey hustle, you go tell say na so you take start. You understand? Na so you start before you reach this level.
See, fuck that thing. Even this one where is it a BBC I mean a BNCC I don't know CC dey inside. They go capture the girl, say the girl they go carry concrete. Now not be human being they carry concrete.
No, they say what a man can do.
A man can do.
So let it be equal. You agree with this equality thing?
Yeah, I agree. Not me.
Can a woman dig well?
You know, now wetin they try do now. Even they show people they do mechanic, also they do shoemaker, and wetin my problem say they accept them as if they no fit do am. Now my problem be that they will call anytime when they see girl or woman or lady they do all this work job. Like a mechanic, all these things. They will come carry NTA, all these things. They ask a question why they do.
Nah, hash and sabi work hard work pass. Why you know they go interview Merua? Merua wey dey for street. They're not those my guys.
A big guy. Okay.
Just imagine now, one lady now come because of poverty don't too much. Come carry Merua, they push am. Oga.
See man.
Now, if I know I help her with hustle, as long as she get wetin dey for front and back, and wetin dey in between.
You get the point now. But if na man, they don't really believe say we are meant to die.
No man, you go suffer. Na no man, na hustle. They'll call you hustler. Hustler.
No, that we are meant to, and that thing is not good. If we are seeing ladies in the same aspect, I mean, in the same perspective, we should also see guys there.
Oga, see, ma tell you, no matter wetin you do, if they say gender equality, Oga, you don't get natural position. As you dey so, your natural position na to hustle. But if you don't hustle, you go there, you go.
No, on a normal, I dey hustle. I no dey do like woman. But tell me why you be saying that like that? Even when I been dey go house one day, our motor, we pick one, we reach for Monroe Road though. Then we see one NYSC guy. NYSC come dey beg us say, abeg, na guy. Space there for the motor. May if he reach time, may withdraw money give us. The driver no gree. NYC, person wey dey serve Nigeria.
That's why they call am now your suffer continue.
Yeah,
no national youth service again. They don't change the slogan. Okay, now your suffer continue.
He talk now, so we come move, leave that guy, go carry woman for front. And the woman say, you no get money, he just beg us, come out beg.
No more begging. In fact, the motor pass and go far, come reverse, come back. But that guy, the guy na even dey run follow the motor. See wahala.
See, that thing, you know good. See, I don't even know, maybe that they consider us.
My country people, see who they hustle.
Those way they consider us. If na look guys, girls, ladies, women, men that they look.
See, we hustle die before na gonna say who they hustle.
But that they look young.
Imagine one of my guys say na normal level, say guys has nothing to offer. Say we na hardware. I can't check. I say ladies na software. I can't say this one not on computer.
You see, man, I tell you, na people like you, because you know say you always like things in return. Now those people. Now like things in return, you cannot do something with your heart.
So as I did so, me say now I know the follow. You dey see the heart. You dey see the heart.
I won't take the heart, but I dey see they carry the act.
And they carry the act, and you know, and in the actual they carry, you know whether na brother things.
No, it's not brother things.
See, let me tell you, ladies are soft. You understand? Soft. They have soft.
No,
style
you forgot that tissue.
Understand? Which tissue?
No, tissue.
No, na soft cell. Na soft cell. You understand? And those ladies, they need proper taking care of them. You understand? If you want to take care of them, settle down, forget everything anybody will talk. Before they smile, it doesn't me, guy, I know a lady, I know they don't go chop my money. But today, even myself, I fear they catch me. I can't talk. I first gonna check out on a move button. I get, you know.
You get now.
Let me move button. You know, I don't say. See, let me tell you, if you dey go school, check between boy and girl. The one way they go school, you go no say na the girl na dey collect better money pass. Those say they get plenty needs but those need and the one wey the guy dey. Guy like me wey go come school go doesn't give me like 5,000, give lady 20,000. Or still go carry him for my own 5,000, still dey contribute to another girl ministry. But you pure.
Na you dey run now, you understand? And after that one no go do how. She go still say no. I cannot eat without fish.
Hey!
I cannot eat without this.
When was the last time you ate crayfish?
See, I don't forget.
Chai!
I don't forget. Now what for you?
So
wetin you dey eat now? You get wetin outside go dey call garaga on a normal. You go cook rice, you pour maggi, you turn am with this thing.
Yaji, just pepper, put small too.
You begin dey turn anyhow. But you see, girls, no, they cannot eat without. In fact, my first problem na English. They will come start to speak English. Yeah, please, I cannot eat without meat. I can, it's not kazaka.
I like to use soft drink to flush it down.
Yes, I like to.
Na toilet.
I don't know. Flush it down, kill you there.
I be the shit wey dey your mouth. Na toilet don't flush am.
Man or guy, people wey don make am now dey talk to now. If you see guys like us like this,
see
for you.
See, no say we dey beg but this is technical begging.
I don't know.
Una wan die for street.
Men na dey help. Men na dey help only guys. If not, because anything where you give guy,
like
hold am keep.
See, ma tell you, check for Facebook. Who analyze one? Facebook now. Which one? If this guy post picture and girls post, if I get snap and guys snap, who they get more like? Who they get more comments?
Girls.
Na girls.
Girls. Even if you know they talk, you are beautiful. You are.
Even though you don't fine. The act is fine. The backside, the front side is fine.
If the act fine, not if the backside. No, sometimes
they punch well.
No, sometimes it doesn't make sense. No, sometimes
it don't make sense for guy man. It makes sense.
It makes sense. No be up. Some people na nonsense. But wait, make I tell you. Anytime where they don't see the profile picture, na fine, especially na fine girl. Especially now wey be say una all these computer people.
You dey mad?
Which one go slap you if you don't?
Which one?
All this
no, you
don't bring so many software wey be say e go even make the girl change from the normal girl wey e be come turn to fine girl, but when if you go see am for real life
na dem sef apprentice.
I'm telling you, e get one wey be say if you see them electronically they are fine, beautiful and fair.
Natural fairness.
See,
spotless.
Everywhere makes sense. Even they increase their backside self using the picture. I'm telling you, with different.
That's software. You dey enlarge everything.
Go dey stretch and go dey stretch and that place go dey stretch the backside.
See, make I advise una my viewers for the guys see, una go find that software wey dey increase the front. You know dey popular. You go increase am well, so if the lady see, go see the lining.
Yeah.
You understand? Normally dem go dey increase. How they cheat us?
I don't know. You increase your this thing. Do artificial six pack. For you.
Then increase that, you know.
See, and I true no, it's just that guys they don't like fake life. Guys they really like fake life. They like being real. And
yeah. For my niggas, kudos for now.
Thanks man for watching, and we're keeping it real there with Mr. Flex, yo. And man, I just keep this thing while they tell now. If not they help only girls because they don't have nothing. They have nothing to offer.
To the viewers out there, but make I tell you one thing. You see this life, but what goes around comes around.
Yeah.
I don't think I say na normal level guys na hustler and Jackie they're supposed to be. Don't tell since they're born they say they say Nigeria go better, you go better. But now I lie, don't still they carry load for back.
I said down.
That shows that load no they come down.
How for you?
We like this, we the hustle, we the wait me pay. And not be say the one you can't pay me back. If you pay, who will come the look woman and the thing they pay me back.
No, it's normal. Now nature. Assuming they go feel remove one thing that is constant. Person like me for the look woman. I be
wait me that explain to me that thing. I go say without explaining.
No, you get one thing now. You know understand. That thing
which one you understand? Oh, the viewers
they understand.
They understand.
My viewers na guy man.
I don't say una no understand.
No, they understand. See, na guy man. See, no waiting. They understand. You get one particular thing wey say sometimes on their own he go dey react, he go dey provoke anyhow na. Guy you go dey so as make that thing dey be na woman go just dey normal.
Let me tell you this is another
that thing, even if you dey normal that thing go dey react.
I wan bring another thing come make you view am, make you analyse this whole statement. You see, you say if na guy man, as guy man dey so now, wetin make am dey baff for? Is it not only you are going to baff up?
No, see.
Now because something to attract something.
No, you see, guy, I'm telling you this thing. Wetin dey make guys dey baff up na make dem look good for their mom and for their dad.
Yes, na mom and dad, na lie. I don't see.
No, this is
na your mom
and dad.
When you dey small, your mom never look you finish. You know the baff.
You know this kind thing. No, this kind thing. If your mom see you go get joy. No, this is my pikin. This is my son.
My viewer.
You go dey introduce am.
This is my. You cannot lie on am. Una see for this talking show wey dey so. With 99%, wetin make girls dey dress and put all these things na to attract.
No,
to attract customer like guys like us. And wetin make guys dey try wan even go salon look okay small.
Mr. Flex.
Na make two the girls dey so that the attraction, the force go dey.
Yeah, true. The girls own na true, but the girls now come make everything artificial. Both the front side and the back side, everything. They come dey put plenty hair. And normal for me, no be hair that they look. I don't know that way they look at.
See, they look at. See, na spiritual eyes we get. We not come up for physical level. As we dey so, we not dey physical again.
No.
Na spiritual.
See, if you
they look in between. For ladies, special advice. We like God. We not dey look physical.
Don't spoil me. My mom say go and learn something. You know, say make I.
Okay, see, there's difference between spoil and exposing the real truth. See. For this media level, we dey talk am raw. No be some people go dey pretend. You know some people now, they go dey pretend, but then they understand. And in the night, and then they go put one thing.
Thanks very much. Keep on rolling, you know.
Make una just dey follow us.
Yeah.
Because we dey give una joy. When this talk, wey they talk, na normal level. Just the difference between guys and girls, which one dey receive favour pass? I make I tell you something, though we understand with ladies say they get plenty needs. Despite the plenty needs, now only you your papa born. When we say only you go there, your phone now like 300,000, and your papa salary now 30,000. Only you go dey wear cloth wey pass if you calculate am with chain, everything dey change. Sometimes if I look at it too expensive, nah, my body dey fear, I dey shake.
No be even like that. Now when they put on those things to remove am when you want. Come you remove this and remove that. Before you go know, human being don't finish. They like onions. Before you know, human being don't finish for bed. That's what you say you fool. No, it happened to me.
You dey do am. You dey do that.
No,
You dey do am. Tell him. But we like us, na sent to be. We wan try make heaven. You understand?
Yeah, alright, thank you.
Thank you.